Vista. We're putting up V14. So Vista 14. 14%, let's say 14% lag.
Alright, so we're at a home Newport and we are replacing some old window film with new window film.
That's correct. This is our old film. This one just got installed right now.
Whatever number is after the name of the product is the amount of percent of sunlight that comes in. So that's why the lower the number means the lower the percent, so the less amount of sunlight that comes in. So you can see the difference between new film and existing film, and these are both the same product, V14, just this one was installed 10 or more years ago, so you can see the amount of fading that has happened.
Alright, so we just finished up. Pretty easy, simple install in a residential home, replacing some film that was old. Catch you on the next one.